Precision, engineered down to every turn. This is the Dometic Optimus steering system. Optimus electronic power steering replaces traditional hydraulic systems with a fly-by-wire steering experience. No fluid at the helm, simple connections, just smooth, consistent, responsive control every time you turn the wheel. The electronic helm provides an entirely customizable steering experience. From adjustable helm resistance to helm turns lock to lock, the feel and output adapts to the speed of the vessel to provide a precise and controlled steering experience. Whether you're cruising at speed, navigating a narrow channel, or docking at the marina, Optimus EPS delivers a steering feel that's light at idle, firm at high speed, and always predictable. With direct integration to third-party autopilot systems and electronics, vessel configuration is simple. Optimus has been designed to seamlessly integrate with all leading electronics brands and engine manufacturers to provide the optimal steering experience. In marine environments, reliability isn't optional, it's essential. That's why Optimus is engineered with multi-layered redundancy and safety protections to keep you in control. The system includes dual independent power paths, ensuring uninterrupted steering, multiple position sensors with continuous validation for accuracy and safety, and independent CAN network architecture with fault-tolerant CAN, which allows the system to continue operating even if a communication line becomes damaged, compromised, or partially interrupted. To the engine room, Dometic has a range of hydraulic power units and steering cylinders that suit vessels from 20 to 130 feet. The system can operate with a single cylinder or twin cylinder. In twin rudder applications, the installation of twin cylinders unlocks further performance enhancement, increase top speed, or reduce fuel burn through speed adaptable toe-in, toe-out. Optimize turning through the implementation of Ackerman, where the Optimus system will control each rudder independently to maintain vessel speed through turns, reduce rollout, and improve maneuverability at low speeds. Installation is simplified through an integrated configuration process including rudder alignment and straight line correction. On-demand pumps reduce power consumption. Optimus is designed specifically for the harsh marine environment with IPX7 rated pumps and electronics. With design certification for class, RENA, and ABS, the Optimus inboard steering system is proven in the field through thousands of installations. When conditions push you to the limit, the Optimus system holds firm. Stable, responsive, confident. This is engineering you feel.